we're going to transition to talking about your homepage. Your homepage is your first impression, and for 80% of business owners, it's also their biggest missed opportunity. A poorly designed homepage can confuse, frustrate, and drive away potential customers before they even have a chance to learn about what you do. Let's talk about the costly mistakes that 80% of business owners make and could be killing your conversions. Number 1, confusing visitors in the first 3 seconds. If someone lands on your site and cannot immediately tell what you do, who you help, and why it matters, they leave. Clarity equals conversions, and a homepage should instantly answer the question, what's in it for me? And that should be followed by a solid call to action. No call to action means no leads, no sales. If you don't clearly direct users to the next step, whatever it is, it may be calling, booking, or flat out buying right from the site, they're going to hesitate. And in digital marketing, hesitation equals lost revenue. Then let's talk about navigation. A cluttered, confusing menu makes people work too hard to find what they need. And guess what? They're simply not going to bother. A streamlined, intuitive menu keeps visitors engaged and moving towards the next point, which is conversion. And I often see on websites long walls of text. Let's be real. People skim. They don't take all the time to read all the long text. If they land on your homepage and see an overwhelming block of text, they're going to bounce instead of buy. Break it up with headlines, bullet points, and visuals to keep them engaged. And this last one, you're surely going to agree with me. Auto-playing videos and annoying pop-ups. Nobody likes to be blasted with audio or forced to close pop-ups when they load your website before even seeing what you have to offer. Instead of engaging visitors, these tactics drive them away. The bottom line, your homepage isn't just a digital business card, it's a sales machine. Avoid these common mistakes and you'll keep visitors engaged on your site and ready to take action. Here's how to fix your homepage to optimize for conversions. I like to think about a business's homepage as their best salesperson. If it's not built to convert visitors into customers, you're leaving money on the table. So let's talk about how to fix that. Start with a clear, benefit-driven headline. A great format to follow is this: solution for audience to benefit. For me, this is great SEO for local businesses to bring in more customers. This tells visitors exactly what you do and why it matters immediately. If they have to guess, they're gone. Next, your call to action needs to stand out. And I mean visually. Use contrasting button colors and short, action-driven phrases like get a free quote or book a consultation. And make sure that it's above the fold so that visitors see it without having to scroll down the page. And then look at your navigation. Simplify it if possible. A confusing menu frustrates users, and when they're confused, they leave. Stick with the essentials: home, about, services, testimonials, and contact. Keep it simple, keep it clear, and avoid large drop-down overload. This way you can direct your visitors to exactly the pages on your site which matter the most. Another game changer, break up long text with visuals and bullet points. People skim. They don't read giant paragraphs. Use short sections, bullet points, and relevant images so visitors can grasp key information in 5 seconds or less. And lastly, ditch auto-playing videos. Nobody likes to be blasted with unexpected sound. Instead, let visitors choose to press play and keep videos under 60 seconds to keep them engaged without overwhelming them. By making these simple but powerful tweaks, your homepage will go from just looking good to actually driving leads and sales. Make sure that your website works for you, not against you. Thank you for listening to this presentation. If you are struggling to drive traffic and turn visitors into paying customers, well, you're not alone. But the good news is that we have you covered. We put together some special step-by-step marketing checklists that are designed to help you attract more visitors, boost conversions, and grow your business without the guesswork. These are not generic tips or fluff. They're proven, actionable strategies that actually work. Whether you're looking to improve your SEO, optimize your website, or run high-converting ad campaigns, our checklists lay it out for you. And the best part is they're free. Join our free membership today and get instant access to our marketing tactics so that you can start using them right now. Visit timberwolfadvertising.com/free membership and start transforming your marketing right now. My name is Justin Kuntz, CEO of Timberwolf Advertising. It has been a pleasure to talk with you today, and I look forward to helping you grow your business.